In this video, we will look at the maximum depth of binary tree question and plan an algorithm we can use to solve it. The problem poses the question: given the root of a binary tree, return its maximum depth. Furthermore, we are told that a binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf node. Usually tree questions involve a traversal or searching algorithm, and the two that usually come up are depth first and breadth first. A depth first traversal goes deep, visiting child and grandchild nodes before visiting a node's neighbors. In contrast, a breadth first search visits all of the neighbors before the children and grandchildren. To solve this question, a depth first algorithm would be the appropriate strategy to use, since the question is asking us to find the maximum depth.